Hello, everybody, and welcome back. We are on level 9 of lesson 8. And so this is the practice layer or level right before you take your assessment. So these should be pretty easy. We're going to start with A, we're going to make it all the way to F. So let's get started. Where are the sprites? All right, so this is a debug missing sprites. Looking at the code below, we can see that many sprites are created, and yet when we run the program, nothing shows up. Can you fix it? Absolutely. So if I run it, nothing happens, and it's because we're missing one very, very important key element. If we go to world, we need to make sure that somebody actually draws the sprites. So let's reset and run, and there we go. As easy as that, we just had to bring in one bit of code. So with that, we're going to click on the orange finish button, continue. Let's go to activity B, sprite animations. Debug, sprite animations error. Errors are being hit whenever we try to run our program. It looks like something is wrong with our animations. Can you try and fix it? So already we can see that there is a yellow triangle for a line 11, and we need to figure out why. All right, so let's run it and see what happens. All right, line 7. Unable to find an animation called Tyrannosaurus. Please make sure the animation exists. Well, let's click on the down. Oh, and the whole reason is because it's misspelled. So we fixed that. All right. Let's reset, run again. Line 9. All right. Unable to find the animation called sun. I can see where this is going because it needs to be capitalized. Grass 2 was misspelled as well. All right, so let's reset and run it. All right, what's going on with grass 3? There is no grass 3, so let's use grass 4. All right, we're going to reset and run. And oh, look at that. We got a whole scene going on. All right, very nice. Okay, so we're going to click the orange finish button and continue. And we're going to click on bubble C, activity C. So debug, sprite name. The program below is trying to draw the same sprite in 3 different positions, but only one of them is showing up. What's happening here, and can you fix it? All right, so we have variable sprite, variable sprite, variable sprite. So that's one of the issues, is that you have the exact same variable name. So what we need to do is we're going to do, we're not going to change where it gets created, but we're going to change the name. So sprite 2 and then sprite 3. So over here, we've got sprite 2 and we have sprite 3. All right, so now we've got 3 different sprites. Let's click run, and there we go. 3 cherries. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna click the finish button and continue. All right, we're gonna click on D, which says sprite order. So debug sprite order. Something is wrong with the scene below. Some sprites are behind other sprites when they should be in front of them. Can you fix it? Oh, finally we get to see the picture. All right, so it should look like this. All right, right now it looks like this. Okay, so we know what we need to make it look like. Very simply, I think we need to move the cactus at the top, and then we need to move the ladybug at the bottom and the snail at the bottom. So let's see if I have to move all this too. So reset and run. Excellent. I didn't have to play with line 6 through 10. I'm sure I could have. Um, Actually, line 6 through 10 are already set up correctly. Huh. Very nice. All right, so we have our scene. It looks like it needs to look. Let's click continue. We are almost done with this. So activity E. Create a scene. We've started you off with 3 different fish sprites. Using anything else that you want, like drawings or other sprites, customize the fish sprites to make a fun looking scene. So right now we click run. All right, so this is one of those where it's really creative and up to you. So me telling you how to do it doesn't really make sense. You know how to add a sprite, you know how to animate a sprite. And so this is a scene where you get to be creative and make it the way you want. So I don't have much to do with this one. I'm gonna let you play and have fun with it. And then I would challenge you and say, can you add 3 more sprites? So 3 more sprites. That's my challenge to you for this scene. I know that if it were me, I would try to add something like maybe some bubbles or some what's it called, seaweed, or even a shark in the distance. Like there's a lot of cool stuff you can do. So I'm going to let you play with that. Let's go back and look at the last activity. So F, combine ideas. Oh, this is another create your own. So combine ideas. You have now learned how to draw images as well as create sprites in GameLab now. So using both of these techniques, create a fun scene. All right. So you have access to everything. You have access to creating variables. You have access to drawing all kinds of shapes. You have access to, all right, there's where your variables are going to be dragged over. Math, groups. Groups is new. I don't think we've seen groups yet. Um, and then, of course, your draw sprites. So there's not much that I can tell you about in this one because this is your opportunity to show me something amazing. I'm going to give you a challenge and say, can you add 3 sprites and 3 shapes to this? All right, so that's going to be my challenge for this level. And with that, I'll let you do that. So I think we're done. Yeah. So you're going to do E and F on your own. I did A, B, C, and D with you. When you're done, you're going to click finish, and I will see you on the next level. Good luck.